My worst fear when riding my wheel is that I will not be seen while on the road. We are so tiny compared to cars and can easily blend in with the background. People driving their cars are so easily distracted, either with their phones or something interesting on the road. We end up being ignored or unnoticed. When Alex of his Break Free company asked me to review this helmet light, I said, absolutely. I have actually been eyeing this helmet light for quite a while now. I did receive this helmet light for free in return for an honest review, and I will certainly give you an honest, straight to the point review. The Break Free light comes very well packaged. You get the instructions, and then you get the template so you can put it on your helmet. And of course, comes the big Break Free light, which has 100 LED lights. There's the back for the attachment. Looks very hefty, yet light. And other things that come in the package are 2 helmet mounts, so you can mount these in 2 different helmets. So you can basically just interchange the light to whichever helmet that you're going to wear that day. Now you have USB-C cable, when before it was micro USB. So this is the least attention attracting. So I'm riding along, I slow down, it brakes. Let's say I'm riding and I do a hard brake. It blinks 3 times. So that's one mode. In the second mode, the lights are always on. So let's say I'm riding along, I brake, it becomes more brighter. A hard brake, blinks 3 times. So this is a third mode where it's constantly blinking. I'm riding along, I slow down, it becomes super bright. Riding along, hard brake, it blinks 3 times. Those are the 3 different modes and the different reactions. So this iteration of Break Free is the most recent and just released this month of October 2024. First off, here are the specs. It's wireless. Look ma, no wires. 100 LED lights with a 120-degree viewing angle. These are 18650 built-in rechargeable batteries with 3350 milliamps. The gyro and accelerometer makes it immune for head turning to cause light flashing. The sensors can detect slowing down, regular braking, and emergency braking. There are battery indicators to let you know how much battery is left. This is super light at 200 grams, that's 7 ounces. This is IP65 water resistance rating, so this can withstand pouring rain while you are riding. Hopefully your EUC or one-wheel or e-scooter can tolerate the water too. This fits all helmet types with the universal mount provided. This helmet light will be at eye level with the car driver's side of view for optimal visibility. So what are the improvements on this new model? Well, the power button was raised so that it can be easier to locate and control with gloves on. This one now has USB-C versus the old micro USB. No need to bring an extra cable. If you have Android or the newest iPhone cable, then you can use that same USB-C cable. The battery has been improved to support faster charging. It can go from empty to fully charged in 1.5 hours. The battery life has been shown to last 12 to 15 hours or more, depending on what type of setting you have. This also is much better tolerated for cold temperatures. So one time I was stopped at a traffic light and the lady behind me stayed so far away from me as if she was being very careful not to hit me or even come close to me. So that's quite reassuring knowing that I was well seen. In here, this is my first ride with this Break Free light, and I had the position on the helmet a little bit higher because there was really no specific hole to put it in. But then in the second ride, I modded it so that the helmet light was in a more optimal position. The main issue I had was properly fitting the light attachment to my bell helmet, since the back did not really have a distinct, flat, even surface for the adhesive to attach to. So I just used an old phone case. I cut it up properly, then scratched it up to increase surface area, then used heavy-duty double-sided tape. I further reinforced that with 2 zip ties for more added securement. I probably did not even need the phone case mod, but since it was already well cured, I just left it on. Plus, with the addition of the 2 zip ties, that really made it strong. This is super secure. There's no way this baby's going anywhere. This will stay. Well, that's it. Hopefully you found this informative. I do highly recommend this break-free helmet light. I did notice that I was certainly seen while wearing this helmet light and definitely felt quite reassured. Just make the necessary mods to make it fit your specific helmet. Thanks for watching, and until next time.